Hi guys, today's lesson we are going to talk about app customization function. In addition to building action group in app, how can we custom a new action group? In this video, we'll take the weightlifting action that has been added into action group file as example. After connecting VNC, open the file manager, open the action groups dictionary according to the path. You can find that there are some action groups with corresponding numbers in this file. The first parameter is the number of action group. Right-click or press Ctrl+C to copy the number 24 action. Pass the program to a new line and set the number to 35. Please accept the defined number and number 255. The number can be chosen arbitrarily. The second parameter is the name of file. The name of the action group must be consistent with the name in the storage directory. Take weightlifting as example. Then press Ctrl+S to save and exit. Now, restart the Raspberry Pi. Open mobile app and connect hotspot. Then enter module control. Click Action button. There are 8 options in the interface. The first 3 options are building action groups. You can click it to execute corresponding action directly. The remaining 5 options is custom, so that we can save up to 5 customized actions. Select custom in the pop-up interface and long press to enter. Enter the name and number of the saved action groups in the pop-up interface. Click OK to save it. The action group name be filled in arbitrarily, but the action group number must be filled in correctly. Otherwise, it can't be realized. After editing, click the action group name to execute it once. If you need to modify or delete the action group, please long press the action name button to modify the action group name as the default custom. Set the number as 255. Okay, this is the end of the video. If you guys has any problems or new ideas, please join High Wonder community to communicate with us. Thank you for watching.